Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jiten Tripathi. Student, in previous class we are going to explain about the study of first element of hydrogen and their periodic position and occurrence. And a student, today we are going to explain next topic of this chapter is the general method of preparation of hydrogen. That is methods of preparation. Methods of preparation means how will you prepare the hydrogen in lab or in by the reaction in other process, industrial process. Okay. First is the by action of metal with water. First one is the by the action of metal with water. Okay. Water. By the action of metal with water. Here we react metal with different type of water, that is cold water, hot water or steam water. There are different type of reactivity of metal with respect to the water existence is the cold, hot and steam form of. So first one is the reaction with cold water. Okay. Reaction with cold water. Metal which are highly reactive, they react with cold water, less reactive react with hot water, and more reactive metals or too much less reactive metals are react with steam form of water. Okay. So first we know about which type of metal, like sodium, potassium and calcium. Sodium, potassium and calcium. These metals are highly reactive. So these metals react with cold water to form metallic hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So general reaction for that, metal react with cold water to form metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide and with the removal of hydrogen gas. This one is a general form of reaction. How will you manage the reaction for this metal? Like sodium react with water, that is H2O. We can write HOH. Okay. So this one is a liquid state. 2 mole of this and 2 mole of this to form in such a manner 2 NaOH. Okay. 2 NaOH and 2 type of this hydrogen form hydrogen gas. Okay. Now we take another metal, potassium, again water, HOH, 2 of this to form 2 KOH and with the removal of hydrogen gas. Now we take another metal like calcium, CHOH. Okay. Now sodium and potassium is the monovalent. That's why these react with 2 type of water, while calcium is a bivalent. So 1 mole of calcium react with 2 mole of water, because the hydroxide formula of calcium is the CH2OH का whole twice and 2 hydrogen form a hydrogen gas. So by the first reaction with cold water, sodium, potassium and calcium form hydrogen gas in such a manner. Okay. Here one more important thing, sodium and potassium reaction is violent in nature, explosive in nature. Furthermore, the metal melt and float on the surface of water. In case of calcium, reaction is a very brisk. Okay, so calcium does not melt and sink in water. Okay, now come to where next is the reaction of steam with hot metal. So second one is the hot metal. Reaction with, second one is the reaction with, C bar is known as with, okay, steam with hot metal, okay, hot water, okay. Now metal like magnesium, aluminium, zinc and iron, which one is the magnesium, okay, aluminium is the Al, zinc is the Zn and iron which is Fe react with steam passed over the steam in red hot metals. They react to form respective oxide and hydrogen gas. Oxide, what happened? Metal, which type of red hot? Red hot is first of all these metal heated up to red hot, okay, and then react with steam. Steam is another form of water in gaseous state to form metal oxide with the removal of hydrogen gas. Okay. So see here, metal like magnesium and zinc, these are bivalent. Aluminium and iron, these are trivalent. React with water, that is H2O, also react with water, H2O, also react with water, H2O, and this will also react with water, H2O, but in the form of steam. Steam is the gaseous phase of water, okay, and these metal form metal oxide. Metal oxide, magnesium oxide is MgO, okay, zinc oxide is ZnO, aluminium oxide is the Al2O3 here, and iron oxide is the Fe2O3, okay. Now for balancing, one magnesium balance, one zinc balance, two aluminium, so multiplied by 2, and here 2 iron is the 2, okay. Now next is the oxygen, one oxygen, one oxygen, 3 oxygen, 3 water, 3 oxygen, again 3 water, so hydrogen evolve how much? H2, 1. Here is also H2, okay, 3 H2, how much? 3 hydrogen gas, this one is again 3 hydrogen gas, okay. So here we go for the reaction like metal, red hot metal react with steam. So this is all about today. Best of luck for attending the class. Thank you.